Today we have a very cool 1965 Alfa Romeo Sprint Speciale. It is beautiful to look at. It is even better to drive. It is in grigio metallizzato with Crema leather interior, and pretty exceptional if I do say so myself. So come on, let's go for a ride. Alrighty. Well, she's warmed up. She's beautiful, and we're gonna get on the road. It is one of the coolest cars Alfa has ever made, as far as I'm concerned. It is got a lot of Art Deco in it, a lot of style. It's got a good amount of power, 5-speed gearbox, 1.6 liter, and the fun factor is exceptional. So we're going to take it up here on our twisty road and put it through its paces a little bit. Well, cruising on one of our favorite back roads. This Alfa is a glorious car to drive, wonderful rally car, vintage rally car. As I said before, with just enough grunt to be comfortable at speed, turns well, is nimble, especially when trucks are coming. Wonderful horn. I don't know what else we could say. It's all Alfa Romeo. It's a very special Alfa Romeo. It is got a great driving position. It is ease of maintenance and stylish. So we'll be up here in a couple of moments for the flybys. Then we will be bringing it right back to the homestead and welcome any questions anyone may have. But they do not come along often in this condition. It was also collector owned in California for many, many, many years. I hear some more twisties. We don't really have to go and show you its cruising prowess on the highway because it is a 5-speed. It does have great gearing, and it does cruise with the best of them. Well, as usual, hope you enjoyed those flybys. It's a great looking little Alfa. She has performed admirably. And now, since it is a wonderful 80 some odd degree day, we're going to go back to the homestead, pull in Autosport Designs. I think I'm going to go have myself a nice little iced tea. You know, keep the liquids going. You can never be, too hydrated, so I'm told. Jason says that all the time.
That does sound good.
Dawn always says that. The hydration part or just the iced tea?
The iced tea I'm looking forward to.
That's great.
Okay. A nice, cool iced tea. Maybe with some a sprig of mint.
Okay, well, I'm just going to have my iced tea the way I always have it. So thank you. But we're also going to pull in to Autosport, back at the homestead, and go inside where it is very nice and air conditioned.
Yeah.
So let's see this. Oh, okay. Let's not see.
No work.
Is it no work?
No.
It's no work. Morta.
This is the guy in no work.
Morta.
This guy no work.
It's no work. The radio's not working, but We can make it work if you'd like, and that is not it's the only shortfall of the car, actually, because everything else is working. I think we have to find an antenna as well if we want that to work. Or I highly recommend one of those portable Bluetooth speakers, which play it through your phone. You know, you can play a lot of songs. One of my favorites, we did not have a chance to put it on, but Bella Ciao. Okay.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Thanks for watching, everyone. It was a fun ride.
Yep. See you on the next one.